Good morning everyone, welcome to another video and welcome to Istanbul. Excited to be here, it's my first time, it's Amalia's third time. Excited?
Excited.
Alright, first stop. So first stop after breakfast is Galata Tower, and this is the Galata Tower. Lots of history. We probably will be the worst people to actually explain about it. So we might come back here when the weather is better tomorrow, hopefully. But if you're wondering why the streets are quite empty today, it's because Turkey is actually having a proper weekend lockdown. Locals are not allowed to go out of their house unless for essential services, like maybe getting food. But for tourists, we can go out whenever. The lockdown essentially only applies to locals, which is quite interesting. That one's a scratchy. Hello. See? She all happy.
And now we are going to cross via Galata Bridge.
Woohoo! Welcome to the most beautiful bridge on earth. Look at that, guys. That is, I don't know, what masjid is that?
I don't know. That is a small masjid. But that one over there is Sulaimania.
Sulaimania, that's let me take you guys closer. It's over there. That's the one, right?
Yeah.
You can see all the beautiful masjid from this bridge, and there's even one tower there that is super high. And then there's another masjid over there behind, which is so beautiful because the sunlight is shining on it right now. Yeah, maybe we will go there tomorrow, right? That's the Asian side, right?
Yeah, but no, we are not going to go there. We're going across it, so we're able to see one mosque, small mosque, and the bridge. So it's very nice.
And that's the Bosphorus bridge over there. It's like a Golden Gate bridge or something.
Yeah.
If you plan to fly a drone or something, I think this is the best bridge to do that. Just so beautiful, and you can also take the ferry, which is over there. Wow, guys. Words cannot describe this, so beautiful. And today is actually not ideal because it's actually cloudy. But imagine if this is sunny. When you were here, it was sunny, right?
Yeah, all day long.
Yeah, it must be. It must have been so beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Wherever there's food, there's fugi. We're just wandering aimlessly around and we found ourselves the best baklava in town, supposedly. So we're gonna give that a try. Let's go. Amalia, let's not die while trying to get baklava.
No, because really like, can I have a short piece, please?
No.
I can eat this all day, every day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
We got some baklava. Exciting times. It seems like this road is filled with baklava shops, and just now we met a family from London. Hey, shout out to you guys if you're watching the video. It seems like they've already tried most of the baklava on the street down there, and they say the one that we went to is actually the best. So hey, first strike, good luck. Time to eat.
So let's see how good is this. First thing first, we have 4 different kind of baklava to try. Try the one that I'm familiar with, which is this one.
Oh my god, I can't wait.
It's so crunchy, but it doesn't fall apart. It is sweet, so I wish I have Turkish coffee or tea to balance this sweetness, but oh, so good. It's the best thing I've ever tried.
always been a dream of mine to see Hagia Sophia, and finally today it's a reality. So magical, guys. Words cannot describe how beautiful this place is. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. So yeah, guys, we actually had to order our food from an online app. It's called, what is it called? Oh, it's called M50. Essentially, all the restaurants around this area is closed, unfortunately. So the only way you can get food is actually through an app. We ordered for ourselves some awesome meal. Look at that. This here is kale poche. It's essentially all the innards, not the innards, the head of a goat, all within a soup. This is really heavy. You're not supposed to eat this for dinner. You're supposed to eat this for breakfast. Can you imagine that? Because there's so much fat in here that your body won't be able to digest it before you sleep. Whenever you hear about food from Turkey, you always imagine kebab, doner kebab, maybe pide, but you rarely hear of all this other stuff, and these other stuff are actually much nicer.
Gelecek istasyon Haliç.
Hey guys, welcome to day 2 and we're on a boat. It's not a boat really, it's a ferry, and we're heading towards the Asian side. So in order to get onto the metro just now, and also this boat, we only use one card, which is the Istanbul card. And in order to get that card, you need to make sure you have 10 liras. You cannot have any other denomination of any other currency. We tried to put in 25 liras. The machine does not like it, so it's rejected. So we had to ask like some passerbys for 10 lira, which is quite annoying. But yeah, we're on a boat and we're cruising. That's the Galata Bridge from yesterday, and we're heading towards the Asian side, which is over there. Time to go! In case you didn't know, Istanbul is actually split between two continents, Asia and Europe. And by taking this ferry, you cross over from the European side to the Asian side. And on the way, we managed to spot some dolphins! Looks like it's pretty short-lived, our time in Asia, because right now we have to head back onto another ferry towards the other side of Bosphorus.
Everything is closed anyway.
Yeah, everything in Asia is closed practically because this is a local area. And guys, we made it to the Ortaköy Masjid, and this is so beautiful because it's next to the Bosphorus Bridge. So you have that background of Bosphorus Bridge over there, and this masjid next to the water. It's like a floating masjid in a way. Beautiful. Imagine if the weather is much better than today. Alright, so that's the masjid done, prayers done. It's time for Doma Baca Palace. Oh man guys, bad news. We rush here like a mad animal. And it's closed. It's actually closed at 4 PM right now. We thought it's closed at 5, so we thought we still have like 30 minutes to explore. But oh well. It feels like today we have fully utilized our Istanbul card. We took the metro, and then the ferry, and then the bus, and then finally the tram. We use all the public transport in Istanbul, I guess that's the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose the adventure. Don't forget us.